My name is Irene Muli from Kenya.
There is a bird. A bird.
A bird.
Yes.
Yes.
You loved so much.
A white man. I confess. The prophets which you have told me very true, man of God. His name was Philip.
The bird is far. Okay.
My name is Irene Muli from Kenya. I'm here to confess the prophecy man of God have speak to me is very true. I had this white man from UK. I love him very much. He could do everything to me. And I hope he's my husband. And when the time came, I got saved. I told him, no, God has called me to work for God. He will still stay. And he came to...
That was another reason. But the first reason was the dark man.
What?
You had a dark man.
The dark man.
Yes.
Yes.
A young dark man.
Oh, very true. I loved him. I told my parents, I want this boy. But he came to disappoint me very bad.
You're a pastor now?
Yes.
Now you're not married?
No, I'm not married.
This medium man is a mechanic?
There is a man, when I got saved, we stayed with him, but he was lying to me. That one is that man now you are speaking about.
Everyone's going on.